Dear students of class 11 and students who are willing to appear at in entrance test of AIEEE or AI PMT, it means engineering test or medical entrance test. I am preparing योर बेस आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग योर बेस, आपके बेस को मजबूत करने का प्रयास कर रहा हूँ। तो आप बिल्कुल ध्यान से पूरी सिंसियरिटी के साथ इस पर देखेंगे कि हम क्या आपको बताने जा रहे हैं। निश्चय ही श्योरली इट विल लीड यू टुवर्ड्स द सक्सेस। द फर्स्ट थिंग आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू टुडे is that we will learn how to solve numerical problems. How to solve numerical problems means आंकिक problems, कैसे हम इसको solve करें। तो beginning में today it is the beginning, I think I will tell you something that is very important for you. How it is important, after doing this work you can understand. After doing this work you can understand. This in this example it is written that एक सरल लोलक पर विचार कीजिए। इट मीन्स लेट अस कंसीडर ऑन ए सिंपल पेंडुलम। ओके, किसी गोलक को एक धागे से बांधकर लटकाया गया है और जो गुरुत्व बल के अधीन दोलन कर रहा है। एक्चुअली ये व्यवस्था ही लोलक कहलाती है, पेंडुलम से जुड़ा हुआ ये प्रॉब्लम है। तो मैंने बताया कि हम लोग विचार कर रहे हैं एक सरल लोलक पर। वी आर कंसिडरिंग ऑन ए सिंपल पेंडुलम। ए बॉब इज टाइड विथ ए थ्रेड एंड इट इज हंग so that it can oscillate under the gravity, it means gravitational force. The next thing is that, next क्या है, we have to suppose, माना कि let us suppose माना कि इस लोलक का दोलन काल, इसकी लंबाई L. ओके, इट मीन्स द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ दिस पेंडुलम से जुड़ा हुआ चीज़ है, इसकी लंबाई L. इट मीन्स वी हैव टू, ओके, आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट दोलन काल, इसकी दोलन काल लंबाई, पेंडुलम की लंबाई, लेंथ ऑफ पेंडुलम इज L. गोलक, इट मीन्स द गोलक का द्रव्यमान, इट मीन्स द मास ऑफ बॉब इज M. एंड गुरुत्वीय त्वरण, इट मीन्स ग्रेविटेशनल एक्सेलरेशन, दैट इज स्मॉल g पर निर्भर करता है। ओके, तो हम लोग क्या करना है, विमाओं की विधि का उपयोग करके, ओके, विमाओं की विधि का उपयोग करके इसके दोलन काल के लिए सूत्र, ओके, व्युत्पन्न कीजिए। ये आसान है लेकिन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, इसलिए हमको बताना ये आवश्यक हो गया है। मैंने आपको बता दिया है कि वी हैव टू यूज़ द मेथड ऑफ डायमेंशंस एंड वी हैव टू डिराइव द formula for its time period. Okay, we have to use the method of dimensions. It means using the method of dimensions we have to use the method of dimensions and we are going to derive the formula for its time period. Okay, so let us see how I am going to derive the formula. Okay, Actually, suppose this is the place where we are hanging the pendulum, and the pendulum is like this. This is the bob. Okay, so this will be L. It means this length will be here to here. It will be L. Okay, its mass is m. It is m kg. M. Okay, and gravitational acceleration g is working on this. Okay, it is oscillating like this position is, and this position is two, it is the two positions of the bob. Okay, and what is one oscillation? I think this is not the topic to be mentioned. What is one oscillation? Because you are going to face the very important entrance examination, so it is leaving. I am leaving it for you to study deeply about the system of pendulum. Okay, now actually we have to follow the English medium, but I have written Hindi because of the some local students who know me very well can pay attention. So I have written the Hindi sentence in question. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to do that using the method of dimensions. Okay, using the method of dimensions, we have to derive the formula for time period. What? For time period. Okay, of the pendulum. Okay, this is the main topic that we are going to consider. Now, the dependence of time period on the quantities on the quantities. It means this is physical quantity. On the quantities L, G, M. Okay, can be expressed as a product in the following way. How we can write? We can write T equal to K. This is the main thing we are going to consider. So pay full attention. Okay. My future, I think you are, who are visiting this work, you are the future of me also, and you are future of our country. So pay full attention. K is equal to, here T is equal to K into L G M. Power can be allotted L to the power x, G to the power y, and M to the power z. This is the time period, and that will be equal to this one. It means time period may be equal to K into Lx, Gy power, and Mz power. Okay. Here where K is dimensionless constant, and x, y, z are exponents. Okay, K is dimensionless constant and x, y, z are exponents. Now what we have to do next? Now writing the dimensional formula for quantities on both sides. We have to take care what we are going to do. Here this is the main theme, for product that we are taking in our consideration. Time. If we are writing the dimension for time, actually we have learned MLT in mechanical formula. In mechanical physics we have learned MLT. These are the main terms that will be used in writing dimensional formula. Here T is given, so for dimensional formula here L is 0, M is also 0, and T here given, so T is 1. Okay, and on the RHS, K should be neglected because it is constant. L is given, so L is 1 power x, and G is a type of force, so it is a force. Dimensional formula for force is it means you have learned that L, it means mass into acceleration. It means we are writing a dimensional formula for force. Actually here L, gravitational acceleration is measured in meter per second square. Okay, so we will write L and T per second square, T minus 2. Here 1 is given, its power is y, and next M is given. It means here M are just given, so it will be 1 and power will be Z. Now after solving this one, we will get here what we will get. L to the power x here and L to the power y here. 1 power here, 1 power here. This means L to the power, L will get the power x plus y. L will get power x plus y, and T will get the power minus 2y. Okay, and M will get only Z. Okay. Now we are going to. This is the main outcome that we are considering. Main outcome. It means equating the dimensions of both sides. It means equating the dimensions of both sides. What we are getting? We are getting here. What we are getting? We are getting x plus y sides. We get x plus y is equal to 0 or minus 2y. Minus 2y. This will also this what gives here. Here minus 2y, T is here, T is also here. So minus 2y is equal to 1. This is 1 here. So minus 2y is equal to 1, and then Z is equal to 0. This gives, therefore, solving this thing, we get x is equal to 1 by 2. We will get x is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to minus 1 by 2, and Z is equal to 0. We have got Z is equal to 0. Okay, then therefore finally we have got T is equal to what we have got? T is equal to K into L to the power 1 by 2. L got power 1 by 2, and but T gets the T is equal to K into L to the power 1 by 2, and G is here. G got the power minus 1 by 2, and m has been eliminated. M has been eliminated because m gets power 0, it will become 1, so m will not be written. Now after that t is equal to, what will be? T is equal to k into, listen, mathematics, use mathematics. There will be problem for students of biology, but don't be ट्रबल में मत रहिए, तुरंत होगा। ये पावर 1/2 देने का मतलब होता है कि हम इसको रूट में रखते हैं, स्क्वायर रूट, तो ये पावर पॉजिटिव है, इसलिए ऊपर रहेगा। रूट में जो होगा, ये रूट के अंदर ये l ऊपर चला जाएगा, और ये माइनस है तो ये 1/, के नीचे आएगा। इट मीन्स 1/g आ जाएगा। इट मीन्स हियर g विल बी डाउन साइड। ओके, t, और t इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई इंटू L/g. Final formula we have derived using the method of dimensions. This is the formula that we were searching for. Kato. Dear students, pay attention here. We have found this is the formula, main formula, and before it we have to explain. Before that formula we have to explain that the value of k cannot be determined using the method of dimensions. Okay, because k is the constant, and there is also no meaning of using the value of k, because the dimensions will not be affected. Dimensions will not be affected when we multiply this value with a k. Okay, thus we have got a very important result. It means very important consequence we have got. It is that using the dimensional analysis, okay, using dimensional analysis we can derive formula among mutually related physical quantities. Okay, dear students, today I think I will not lose time for you, because we are working on a very important target. So pay attention to my explanation. There are many explanation to be explained. मेरा मतलब है कि हमको हिंदी मीडियम से इंग्लिश मीडियम में ट्रांसपोर्ट आप लोगों को ट्रांसफॉर्म करना है। इसके लिए हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंग्लिश मीडियम का ही, माने इंग्लिश वर्ड्स का ही यूज़ करेंगे, और आप लोग इस पर पूरा ध्यान देंगे तो आप क्लियरली समझ पाएंगे कि क्या इंग्लिश मीडियम होता है, और नेचुरली आप उसको एक्सेप्ट कर लेंगे। आपके लिए ये आसान हो जाएगा। तो एक्सप्लेनेशन को छोड़ते हुए हम न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम को शुरू कर रहे हैं सॉल्व करना। एक्चुअली मैंने आई एम स्टार्टिंग द सॉल्विंग ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम टू बी सॉल्व्ड फॉर यू। ओके, here one thing I am telling, there are very easy questions. Some question is very easy for you, but I will also solve that question for you because it is a type of warming activity to go on tough questions. Okay, the first question is that the volume of a cube having the side of 1 centimeter is dash millimeter cube. We have to solve this question. How I am solving? Let us see solution. Given side is equal to 1 centimeter and we have to find in millimeter cube volume, so we will convert it into millimeter. So since 100 centimeter is equal to 1, we have to find it in meter cube. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, so 1 centimeter is equal to 1 cm is equal to 1 by 100 meter. This will be 1 by 10 square meter. this will be upside. If you send it, then it will become 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Okay, now volume of the cube. What do we know? We know that volume of the cube is, I am trying to explain for students who are learning biology. They do not take much interest in mathematics, so I am trying to achieve the lower level for them also, and for mathematics students it will be very easy. Volume of the cube is equal to, actually we know, side into side into side. Okay, it can be also written that side cube. Then here side I have got, it has become 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Here we will write 10 to the power minus 2 meter into 10 to the power minus 2 meter into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Then when the base is same, power is added, so power will become minus 6, okay, meter cube. This is the answer. This should be put here, 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. Okay, this is the solution of your question. Let me tell you that this is the numerical problem of your units and measurement. Okay, chapter number 2. This question is of 2.1 A number question. Okay, this is the question number A. Now we will go on the next question. It means we will go on the question number B. Question number B we will solve. B. So what is the B question? I think you have read, but now I am writing the question for you also. The surface area of a cylinder having radius 2 centimeter and height of 10 centimeter. Okay, the surface area of a cylinder having radius 2 centimeter and height of 10 centimeter is dash millimeter square. We have to find the area in millimeter square. Okay, let us see how we can solve this question very easily. Only you have to pay full attention. You should be ready with your notebook and a pen, and you should copy how I am solving. Here given radius, it means r is equal to given 2 centimeter. This means that if you convert it into millimeter, this will become 2 times 20. It means 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, so it will be 20 millimeter. And now height is given 10 centimeter. In the same way, it will become 100 millimeter. Now what we are solving? Surface area of a cylinder. Surface area of the cylinder. Actually, surface area of the cylinder, it means we are considering the total surface area of cylinder. So this becomes, there are two bases, 2 pi r square. Cylinder have two bases. Suppose this is the cylinder. This is the cylinder. Then it has two bases. These are the base. This is the curved surface. Okay. So in this relevance here, pi r square. Here it is also pi r square. Okay. And this area becomes 2 pi rh. Okay. So total surface area becomes here 2 pi rh. Okay. If we are taking 2 pi r common, 2 pi r common, it here becomes r plus h. Using this formula, we can solve this question very easily. Okay. 2 into 22 by 7. R is here 20. Here r is 20. H is 100. Okay. This has become millimeter square. Area comes in a square unit. Okay. Now we are multiplying this. 2 to the 4, 88. Here it has become 88, and 10 will come here, and 10 will be multiplied to here. Then it will become, what it will become? 120 into 10, 1200. If we multiply this one by 12, this will become 12 at the 96. 12 at the 96 plus 9, it means 105 by 7 into here 100. Okay, now after dividing it by 7, we will get what we will get. 7 on the 7, 3 5 7 5 35, 6 is coming, so 0 will be put. 7 at the 56. Okay, 4 7 5 35. In the same way it will come here. 10 means 10 to the power 2, it means 10 square. Okay, millimeter square. Why we are putting this square? Because we have to put this answer in scientific notation. Remember, scientific notation. So after observing this one in scientific notation, this will be here. 0 will come to here. Okay, how it will come? 2 place